When I meet a client for the first time to discuss investing and their financial goals, I like to make the conversation about them and how they view and feel about money. Is it about who has more at the end wins? Is that the end goal? Is it about funding a retirement, perhaps traveling to see the world, or even to leave a legacy for our children? Do we want to have enough to be able to do what we want, including not to work? For some clients, discussing money and money matters is a little uncomfortable, that the discussion itself is a little distasteful, that money by itself isn't the most important thing, but it is a necessary evil to pay for more important, meaningful things, that if we don't have it, we won't be able to pursue that which we are passionate about. Let's talk about risk. There's an interesting disconnect between how most people would answer the question, how risky is this? To most people that means, what are the chances that I may lose my money? Whereas in the financial industry, we define risk broadly as how much a stock price moves relative to its own history. So, as an example, if a stock price moves relative to its own historical average, that stock is deemed low risk. However, it doesn't take into account the strength of the company, the strength of its management team, or demand for its product and services. Finding the right mix of investments with your risk tolerance is an important first step, and it's different for each individual investor. So at Ameti Wealth Management, I really try and help educate every client to answer some of these basic questions as we begin the financial planning process. We'll make a plan, talk about your goals and your risk tolerance, and how saving today can help you pay yourself.